Few things are more annoying than a Windows 11 computer that fails to detect nearby Wi-Fi networks. If this is also happening to you, here's what you can do to fix it. For your first fix, before you try any of the advanced troubleshooting tips on this list, it is important to rule out any issues with your router. Now, power cycling the router is a simple troubleshooting step that could help you resolve a number of network issues, including this one. But if that did not work, toggle airplane mode. You just have to open Quick Settings from the taskbar, then click the airplane mode tile to enable it. After that, you have to wait for a few seconds, then click on the tile again to turn off airplane mode. Once done, check to see if the Windows 11 can detect your Wi-Fi network now. Lastly, disable and re-enable the Wi-Fi adapter. Click Network and Sharing Center, click on Change Adapter Settings, right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter, and select Disable. After that, wait for a few minutes, then right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter again, then select Enable. And those are the following troubleshooting steps if your Wi-Fi networks is not showing up on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.